I'm going to try that one more time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Okay, that's good. Jum'ah Mubarak, Ramadan Mubarak. So, I'm going to wait for everyone to quiet down first. So, I'm going to have to wait a while, looks like. Okay. So, today being Jum'ah, we decided to give Imam a break because Imam, he worked so hard for us, alhamdulillah. So today I'm going to be continuing the topic of Jannah, inshallah. And I wanted to start today's khatira by asking everyone here a question. And feel free to respond. Do you think that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves you? Okay, that's good, that's good. Let me hear one more time. Do you think that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves you? Okay, that's good. Does anyone here think that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala hates them? No! Okay, well then you would be right. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does indeed love us. Well then, I have to follow that question up with something else. If Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves us, then why is it that we suffer so much in this life? You would think that if someone loves you, they wouldn't put you through so much suffering. For example, the Muslims across the world, we have been suffering for a long time. You look at the recent earthquake in Syria and Turkey, where thousands of Muslims were killed. You look at the occupation of Palestinian Muslims, where they have been kicked out of their homes and kicked out of their lands. You look at our Chinese Muslim brothers and sisters who have been illegally detained by the Chinese government. It seems that everywhere you look, Muslims are being tested one way or another. And so the question is, if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves us so much, why are we being put through so much test? And let me rephrase this question for you, because this is a common question and it is an important question that needs to be answered. If God is real, and this is a question that atheists usually ask, if God is real, then why is there so much suffering and so much pain in the world? It's a very important question that most people don't get an answer to. And so I'm going to answer this question very easily in a very simple answer. The reason why we go through so much hardship and so much test in this life is because this life is not meant to be easy. But we go through tests and we go through hardship in order to prove to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that we are worthy of His paradise. Because brothers and sisters, it is natural within everyone in their genetic code that we want a life that is easy. We want a life that is without pain and without suffering. That is Jannah. A life without pain and suffering is not possible in this life. It's possible in the next life. So the non-Muslims, they want a life that is without pain and without suffering. They want Jannah, but they're not willing to put in the work for it. We as Muslims, we know that this life will continue to be difficult, no matter what. Because I know every single person in this room is facing some kind of difficulty. But we face this difficulty with patience and gratuity to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That way we prove to Him that, Ya Allah, I am worthy of this paradise, so grant it to me out of your mercy. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He grant all of us patience and sabr and gratuity in all aspects of our hardship and all aspects of our life. Allahumma ameen. Staying on the topic of Jannah, I wanted to mention a quick tip from the Prophet ﷺ that we can all implement in our lives. Bilal ibn Rabah, he was asked that by the Rasul ﷺ, Ya Bilal, I hear your footsteps in Jannah. What has made you so special that I hear you in Jannah? Bilal ibn Rabah, he said that whenever I make wudu, I pray as much salawat as I can. And so during this month of Ramadan, I ask that you try to pray extra salawat whenever you get the chance, especially during suhoor time. Before you eat your suhoor, wake up, make wudu, pray tahajjud, and ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for whatever it is that you need that you're in your life. Then you can sit down and have your suhoor, inshallah. Before I close, I wanted to make a couple announcements for today. Inshallah, the raffle for The questionnaire is tomorrow, inshallah. There is going to be boxes on the brother side, there's going to be boxes on the sister side. There will be 2 questions. You submit your answer in these boxes, and you will be entered into a raffle to earn a golden earring, courtesy of Brother Ismail, alhamdulillah. Also today, I would like to thank the sponsors, the Dr. Javeed's family. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless them and put barakah in our food. Allahumma ameen. May Allah put barakah in the rizq for providing today's food. Alhamdulillah. So we end today's khatira with a dua. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to accept our siyam and to put barakah in the food that we are about to eat. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He keep us steadfast upon the entire month of Ramadan, and that we leave the month of Ramadan a better person. رَبَّنَا آتِنَا فِي الدُّنْيَا حَسَنَةً وَفِي الْآخِرَةِ حَسَنَةً وَقِنَا عَذَابَ النَّارِ اللهم إني أسألك الجنة ونعوذ بك من النار اللهم إني أعوذ بك من عذاب القبر ومن عذاب جهنم ومن فتنة المحيا والممات ومن شر فتنة المسيح الدجال اللهم إني أسألك الجنة اللهم إني أسألك الجنة اللهم إني أسألك الجنة رب ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا يا ربي إني لما أنزلت إلي من خير فقير اللهم اغفر للمسلمين والمسلمات والمؤمنين والمؤمنات الأحياء منهم والأموات ربنا لا تزغ قلوبنا بعد إذ هديتنا وهب لنا من لدنك رحمة إنك أنت الوهاب ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا أو أخطأنا ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا وانصرنا على القوم الكافرين. I'm going to leave a couple seconds for you guys to make your own dua, speak with each other, say salam to the brother next to you, smile in their face, take a little bit of